Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to hire associates on GTA Online. So at first, you must register as a boss. So just press M on your keyboard to open the interaction menu. As it opens, as you can see the option register as a boss and just click on it. And select the one you want to be the boss of. So after you are a CEO, all you have to do is again press M to open the interaction menu. As you press it, you can see at the first Secure Serve CEO and just click on it. And at the first option, you can see Hire Associates. And to hire it, you need players on your GTA lobby. So guys, that's how you hire the associates on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.